How to clear Zombeast cache on your Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are in Zombeast and want to clear the game's cache, then it is super easy. Clearing the cache will help you fix minor performance issue, reduce loading problems, and free up temporary storage without deleting your game progress. So first of all, go ahead and open the Settings app from your Android smartphone or tablet. And inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps. Once you select Apps, look for the Zombeast application in the app result. In the app list and tap on it. On the next page, click on Clear Data at the bottom right. In the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. Click on OK, and there you have successfully cleared the cache data. Now go ahead and open up the Zombeast app again and check if the issue has been resolved. So that's it. You've successfully cleared the Zombeast cache on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.